Tribhuvan University 2079 partial exam, bachelor level 4 years program, education, B.Ed first year, physics, science education 417 major subject question paper. Full marks 80, time 3 hours. Here are 3 groups. Group A is of 14 multiple choice question. Each question has mark 1 and total marks of group A is 14. Group B is of 42 marks. Group C is of 24 marks. Group A. Attempt all the questions. Tick the best answer. Question number 1. When two forces A equal to 8n and B equal to 6n act on each other at a point angle of 90 degree, the magnitude of the resultant is A. 2 Newton, B. 10 Newton, C. 14 Newton, D. 16 Newton. Question number 2. When two bodies stick together after colliding, the collision is described as A. Elastic, B. Inelastic, C. Partially elastic, D. Perfectly inelastic. Question number 3. As a rotating body's torque decreases, its angular velocity A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. Remain unchanged, D. Becomes 0. Question number 4. When the centers of suspension and oscillation for a compound pendulum are equally spaced apart from the center of mass, then A. The period of oscillation is minimum, B. The period of oscillation is maximum, C. The period of oscillation is equal, D. The period of oscillation is moderate. Question number 5. A planet's elliptical orbit around the sun S is seen in the figure. The shaded area SAB is half the size as the shaded area SCD. If the planet is supposed to shift from C to D at time T1, then from A to B at time T2, then A. T1 equal to T2, B. T1 equal to 4 T2, C. T1 equal to 2 T2, D. T1 equal to T2. Question number 6. Surface tension is property of liquids that results from A. The gravitational force of attraction between the molecules, B. The adhesive forces between the molecules, C. The cohesive forces between the molecules, D. The formation of ionic bonds between the molecules. Question number 7. The graph of load versus elongation for four wires made of the same material is shown in the figure. Which of the following is a thinnest wire? A. OD, B. OC, C. OB, D. OA. Question number 8. According to Bernoulli's equation, where the speed is high, the pressure will be A. High, B. Low, C. Medium, D. 0. Question number 9. When the state is being changed from solid to liquid through the process of fusion, the temperature A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. May increase or decrease, D. Remains constant. Question number 10. The specific heat of a gas in an isothermal process is A. Infinity, B. 0, C. Negative, D. Remain unchanged. Question number 11. The imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and pole of a spherical mirror is called the A. Principal axis, B. Focal length, C. Center of curvature, D. Radius of curvature. Question number 12. The rays parallel and very close to the principal axis of the lens are called A. Paraxial rays, B. Converging rays, C. Marginal rays, D. Diverging rays. Question number 13. Who among the following propose a solar system model with the sun at its center? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Nicholas Copernicus, C. Johannes Kepler, D. Isaac Newton. Question number 14. What do we name the region of a solar eclipse where the moon blocks the sun but the sun's outline is still observable? A. Umbra, B. Antumbra, C. Penumbra, D. Both umbra and penumbra. Attempt all the questions. Group B. Question number 1. State triangle law of vector addition. Obtain an expression for the resultant of two forces P and Q inclined at an angle theta. Also find the direction of resultant vector So obtain. Find the angle between two equal vectors if their resultant is equal to either of them. Marks 4+3. Question number 2. What is surface tension? So that surface tension and free surface energy are equivalent in numbers. Calculate the pressure difference across a spherical liquid drop. Or question. So that energy density stored in a stress wire half of the product of stress and strain. A uniform steel wire of density 8000 kg per meter cube, weight 20 gram and is 2.5 meter long. It lengthens by 1 mm when stressed by a force of 80 Newton. Calculate the value of the Young's modulus of steel. Marks 4+3. Question number 3. What is an elastic collision? So that for an elastic collision in one dimension, the relative velocity of approach before the collision is equal to relative velocity of separation after collision. Calculate the force necessary to keep a mass of 0.2 kg moving in a horizontal circle of radius 0.5 meter with a period of 0.5 second. What is the direction of force? Marks 4+3. Question number 4. So that Newton's law of gravitation and Kepler's third law are consistent, Jupiter has 318 times the mass of the Earth and its radius is 11.2 times that of the Earth. Calculate the escape velocity of a body from Jupiter's surface, assuming that the escape velocity from Earth's surface is 11.2 km per second. Marks 4+3. Question number 5. Define parallax. Derive the formula for the focal length of two thin lenses in contact. The focal length of convex length for red light and violet light are 26 cm and 25 cm respectively. Calculate the dispersive power of the material of a lens. Also find the chromatic aberration produced by the lens. Marks 4+3. Or question. Define coefficient of viscosity. Derive Stokes formula for viscous liquid by using dimensional analysis. Water flows through a pipe of internal diameter 20 cm at a speed of 1 meter per second. What should the diameter of the nozzle be if the water is to engage at the speed of 4 meter per second? Marks 4+3. Question number 6. Determine the size and mass of astronomical objects. Outline the main belief on the solar system origin. Marks 4+3. Group C. Question number 7. Describe the term moment of inertia with illustration. Calculate the moment of inertia of flywheel. Define torque and couple with examples. Calculate the work done by torque. Marks 6+6. Or question. Describe the various forms of solar eclipses and their occurrence. Derive a lens formula for convex lens. A mirror forms an erect image 30 cm from the object and twice its height. Where must the mirror be situated? What is its radius of curvature? Marks 4+4+4. Question number 8. Explain the working principle of thermometer with a diagram. Describe the experimental procedure for determining the latent heat of fusion of ice by method of mixture. A heat engine absorbs 100 joules of heat energy from a reservoir at 120 degrees centigrade and rejects 600 joule of heat energy during each cycle. Calculate efficiency of the engine and temperature of सिंक. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी एक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। तपाईँको कुनै जिज्ञासा भए कमेन्टमा लेख्दै जानुहोला। धन्यवाद।